Hello everyone, I have some really awesome news for you guys. As of today, we've reached 21,000 subscribers. That's a huge milestone for Kalakar. All these months of work and effort that I put into making these videos finally paid out, and it's only because of you guys. And to celebrate this, I have teamed up with Gearbase, so we are going to give up an awesome product as a giveaway for you guys. This is just not restricted to India, it's open worldwide. So to know what is that product, here it is. It's the SJCAM S7 Star camera. This I've been using it for the past 6 months and it has been really good. It's a perfect alternative for all those action cameras, the internationally renowned ones that you guys know about. To win this camera, there's a link in the description. Just follow the steps in there and you will be enrolled into the competition. If you want 2 or 3 cameras, then I have a coupon code in the description that will give you this same camera for a very cheaper price. I'm absolutely happy about this milestone and it's only because of you guys. Thank you so much for it. I'm just going to go celebrate today, but I'll see you next time with another big, huge giveaway when I reach the 50,000 milestone. Until then, happy learning.